Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok message not sending problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, go to your TikTok profile and tap on right corner three lines and tap on setting and privacy and scroll down and tap on free up space and tap on cache clear, tap on download clear and go back. Now tap on privacy and scroll down, tap on message. Now tap on message and select everyone and go back and open your friend chat and send message. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.